Here is the real truth. Nobody tells you about getting ahead in life. No one becomes successful by accident. We love to look at people at the top and assume they just got lucky or happened to be in the right place at the right time. In reality, relying on luck is a massive trap that keeps you waiting on the sidelines while other people take control of their future. To change your trajectory today, you must implement the fixed routine tip. True progress is never a random coincidence, and it is not a surprise lottery win. It is a highly calculated, simple sequence of intentional choices that you repeat day after day until the results become inevitable. Consider the case study of a small business owner named Sarah. For years, she operated on random streaks of energy, waiting for the perfect market conditions or a sudden burst of inspiration to grow her brand, which left her with flat revenues and constant stress. She decided to implement a simple fix. Instead of leaving her growth to chance, she automated her outreach framework, committing to making 5 direct client connections every single afternoon at 2 o'clock, regardless of how tired or distracted she felt. Within 90 days, her client list tripled, her revenue became completely predictable, and she expanded her operations into 2 new territories. You do not need a lucky break to change your life. Shift your daily framework immediately to make your progress a statistical certainty rather than a wish. Subscribe right now to join our inner circle and unlock the machine-like blueprint for an easy, high-leverage life.